That's पार्थ, सबके प्यारे, सबके चहेते।
गवाना मत प्लीज।
तो मैंने कुछ सरप्राइज रखा है आपके लिए।
1, 2, 3, 4.
नाच बसंती। गुलाबी आंखें। ओ खाना? अभी तो फिलहाल मैं अपने आप को संभाल नहीं पा रहा हूं।
Girl is wearing chuda and the husband is like actually standing and taking her picture with him.
I have like 6 to 7 houses.
Chic, glamorous.
Welcome back to a new episode of Take Me Out with me, Anita Brito. Today's guests are two very special people. मतलब बहुत सारे जनों को बहुत सारा प्यार देते हैं। तो देर किस बात की, आइए मिलते हैं उनसे और थोड़ी गपशप करते हैं। हेलो, ये रहे हमारे आज के वेरी वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट। That's पार्थ, सबके प्यारे, सबके चहेते पार्थ। And this is a very beautiful खुशहाली कुमार। Hello everyone, how are you?
How are you?
I'm doing very good. कैसा लग रहा है आप लोग को?
Amazing.
Amazing. आप लोग, मैंने सुना आप लोग बहुत बिजी हो, शूट कर रहे हो, फिर आपका प्रमोशंस चालू है, तो आप अब तक का जर्नी कैसा रहा आपका?
बहुत प्यारा और बहुत ही मेमोरेबल इनफैक्ट, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो एक फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है मेरा।
हाँ।
तो इट्स अ न्यू स्टार्ट फॉर मी, न्यू बिगिनिंग, और काफ़ी अरसे से मैं इसका इंतज़ार कर रहा था। तो मेरे लिए इट्स वर्थ द वेट बिकॉज ऑफ सच अ वंडरफुल कास्ट, नॉट ओनली हर बट ऑल्सो बाबा, संजू बाबा
And
रवीना मैम
yeah.
एंड अरुणा ईरानी जी. So I have a wonderful cast directed by Binoy Gandhi, and it's a complete family entertainer film. So yes, looking forward.
Everyone is just going to love it. It's a hilarious film and trust me guys, आपका सारा स्ट्रेस खत्म हो जाएगा 9th August.
चलो, आपने स्ट्रेस की बात की तो मैंने आज डिसाइड किया आज की शाम आपका स्ट्रेस मैं दूर करूंगी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
ठीक है,
please,
तो
बहुत
मैंने
ज़रूरी है।
कुछ सरप्राइज रखा है आपके लिए। आइए आज देखते हैं वो क्या करें। चलिए, लेट्स डू दैट। तो नॉर्मली आप लोग को कैसा लगता है प्रमोशंस? मजा आता है प्रमोशंस में?
बिल्कुल, बहुत मज़ा आता है।
Towards the end of the day, I think your energy starts to fall, but every time is just like fun, you know, interacting with people. फिर दोबारा, you know, you'll get all charged up. Yeah.
And it all depends on the company. कंपनी सही हो, जैसे कि मैं, तो वो कभी बोर नहीं होगी।
Right now.
I was also
Yeah, no.
बट आप लोग यू नो म्यूजिक बहुत अच्छा है मूवी का। मुझे लगा आप लोग ऐसे मस्त डांस वांस करते मिलोगे यार, मुझे क्या है ये?
नहीं नहीं, हम वो इतना डांस कर करके थक चुके हैं ना कि अब हम चाहते हैं कि सारे लोग डांस करें इस गाने पे, इसलिए
मतलब हम करेंगे।
Yes,
That
yes,
is for
बिल्कुल,
sure. हम
बिल्कुल,
करेंगे।
बिल्कुल, जरूर।
और थोड़ी हम पार्ट आपने गाया भी है इन द पास्ट
जी।
तो हम
गवाना मत प्लीज।
यार
ऐसे ऐसे
क्यों
पुलिस
यार? आप लोग
इतने
निराश कर रहे हैं आप भी।
हाँ, ये
मगर
डोंट
आप
फॉरगेट कि ये
बिल्कुल
कहाँ
नहीं
बिलोंग करती है, कौन से परिवार से बिलोंग करती है, तो आपको इनसे गवाना चाहिए।
नहीं
हल्का सा एक
नहीं
line।
नहीं, सब भाग जाएंगे। मैं गा तो बिल्कुल नहीं सकती हूँ। ही इज इन फैक्ट अ वेरी गुड सिंगर,
yeah, that's
सो
what
आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट।
अगर तुम उसकी बहन की आवाज लगा दोगे
हाँ, उस पर मैं डांस कर सकती हूँ, लिपसिंग कर सकती हूँ मेरी बहन की आवाज़ पे, पर मैं गा नहीं
तो
सकती
हम
हूँ।
ये कर सकते हैं, ये गाएंगे, आप डांस करेंगे, ये कर सकते हैं। See, that's a very good combination. Sorry, you can't get away from this one.
चलो देखते हैं, फिर तुम नाच सकती हो क्या? चलो देखते हैं
Of
तुम्हारे
course,
डांसिंग स्किल्स। कम ऑन,
of course.
नाच बसंती। इन कैमरा के सामने इस कैमरा के सामने बिल्कुल नाचना।
तो हम पहले I will give you company. I'm not a great dancer, but I can try. Why not?
ठीक है।
Decide.
डिसाइडेड। हाँ, गा
Song
लो।
decide
अच्छा,
किया
अभी
कि
गाना
नहीं
है क्या?
कर लो, हम गाने से पहले कर लो।
बहुत ही इम्प्रोव ये है, मतलब अचानक हमें
यार,
एक से
it has to be
सिचुएशन
fun.
में।
This is-
चलो नाचो। ओके क्या? हाँ,
Go on.
मेरे को ऐसा फास्ट गाना नहीं आता, तो मैं स्लो ही गाएगा। ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक है ना?
मैं स्लो ही डांस करूँगी।
हाँ तो करो ना फिर डांस। चलो। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो। अरे यार, इसकी ऑडियो यार बीच में चल रही है, मतलब बताओ, ये नाच भी नहीं सकते और ऊपर से मुझे भी डिस्टर्ब कर रही है यार। अब हो गया, वो एक ही बार बरसात एक ही बार होती है। नहीं, चलो अभी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू, अभी तुम दोनों नाचो। चलो
You're singing a slow dance, we'll do a slow dance.
हाँ, चलो
Let's
ओके,
do this.
ठीक है। रेडी?
Yes,
फाइनल
we are.
टाइम। हाँ, इसके बाद
Yes, yes, of course. Let's do this.
एक तो मैं बहुत पैसे लेता हूँ गाने के, और ठीक है,
Let's do this.
ठीक है। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया, संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो संभलना मुश्किल हो गया।
वाओ, पार्थ नॉट बैड। हमारे साथ एक लड़के थे मगर वी वर सो इन्वॉल्वड विद आवरसेल्व्स। चलो इसी बात,
Like giving space, so yeah.
how sweet. So now the surprise is here. The mic is going to be
Okay. ओ खाना हमारे लिए खाना है।
आपको खाना था?
मुझे प्लेट दिखती है, मुझे खाना दिख जाता है। बस बस ये क्या है? डोंट टेल अस। हमें पेंटिंग करनी है। और ये क्या है?
ये है, तो जो वॉल पे है आपको ये यहाँ क्रिएट करना है फिर।
ये मून है। ओह ओके ओके ओके।
यू हाउ वाज इट, मतलब इनको संभालना?
अभी तो फिलहाल मैं अपने आप को संभाल नहीं पा रहा हूँ। ये क्या है?
मैंने इनसे स्टार्ट किया बिकॉज ही इज योर co-star in the film. So how was working with Parth?
Parth is an amazing and a wonderful co-actor. We have worked together on Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Naam, in the song called Dhoka.
Okay.
And actually from there, our director Binoy, he really loved that song. And he loved our chemistry in that song, and that's how we thought of casting both of us together for Gulchadi. And Parth is he's a very calm when it comes to being on set.
Really?
Yeah, unlike the way you see him otherwise. But it's been a great experience.
रियली क्या इतना क्या सरप्राइज हो रही है? मतलब ऐसा क्या है?
नहीं यार, पार्थ मेरे को ऐसा लगा था आप बहुत शांत हो, बिकॉज दिस इज माय फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन विद यू, सो ऐसे इमेजिन किया था यार।
नहीं मैं हूँ शांत, ऐसे मैं पब्लिकली आई एम वेरी क्वाइट।
But he's given, I think, more than his 100%. He's really worked hard for his debut film, and I'm sure like the audience would be surprised with the kind of performance that he's coming with. And I personally love his dance. It's a beautiful song, Punjabi Munde, जो रिलीज हो रहा है कल. So I'm sure सबको बहुत मजा आएगा.
यहाँ पर नाच नहीं रहे थे हमारे साथ यार।
तो गाया ना।
मतलब ये बात मैंने गाया।
मैं टैलेंट का भंडार खोल रहा हूँ तुम्हारे सामने कि देखो मैं गा भी सकता हूँ, नाच भी सकता हूँ,
और आर्ट भी कर सकते हो।
आर्ट भी कर सकता हूँ।
बेसिकली ऑन सेट हु वाज द मोस्ट, मतलब मस्तीखोर, ऐसा कोई था?
बाबा ही थे। बिकॉज उनके सामने हम सबकी फट जाती थी।
How was your first meeting with him? आप दोनों के लिए? But Kushali, you must have met him earlier as well, no? Because he's done a lot of works with.
Yeah, he has. But you know, surprisingly, the first time when I actually interacted with him was on the set of Gulchadi. And it was very sweet of him. You know, he saw our song over there on the YouTube, and he really praised our work as well. He's a very nice and a warm person. Once you start just talking to him, you don't feel, he doesn't make you feel like as if you're meeting him for the first time.
What about you, Parth? How was
I was
your first meeting with him?
very intimidated by his personality, because of obviously we've grown up watching him through all different kinds of characters and cinemas, and of course the Bhai character, pretty much what he's known for. So yeah, very intimidating. But once you get talk to him, once you start talking to him, it's completely opposite. So he's very humble, very grounded, and he's very soft spoken in fact. So truly an inspiration. मतलब once we did our first scene, I was at ease. But because of before that, I was completely anxious. I was so stressed up कि कैसे करूँगा मैं, क्योंकि डायरेक्टर ने बोला कि बाबा है, be prepared, make sure you're well prepared. So thankfully I was well prepared for it, and yeah, I did well. I did exceptionally well.
Did you also well prepare yourself?
Yeah, I mean, you have to. You can't. I think when you're standing in front of such legendary actors, you want to deliver your best at the very first take.
Correct.
But thankfully, we all were bang on with our scenes, and everything went on very smooth and quick. In fact, so it was nice. Yeah, but I always go very well prepared for all my characters.
That's nice. But मैंने ट्रेलर देखा, ट्रेलर इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत मजा भी आ रहा था हंस के। सेट्स पे ऐसी बहुत सारे हंसी मजाक वाले इंसिडेंट्स हुए होंगे, ऐसा कुछ है जो आप हमें या ऑडियंस को बता सकते हैं उसके बारे में?
काफ़ी सारे हुए हैं. आई थिंक देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ देम, क्योंकि विद संजय सर इट इज़ लाइक वो बैठ जाते थे जब इन बिटवीन ऑफ शॉट्स ही सेड everyone would be around him. He would call somebody from his team and he really wants to act and all. So he'll get the camera also rolling, make him enact.
तो फॉर
scenes.
एग्जांपल वो जो किरदार है जो उनके टीम में से
हाँ।
उनको बेसिकली उनके लाइफ में एक्टर बनना था
ओके
और अब वो संजय दत्त सर के साथ उनकी टीम में जुड़ चुके हैं बहुत सालों से तो बाबा की एक आदत है कि उनको एक बार उनकी इच्छा पूरी करने के लिए उनके लिए एक मतलब उनको एक ऑडिशन स्क्रिप्ट दे देते हैं ऑडिशन स्क्रिप्ट नहीं एक स्क्रिप्ट दे देते हैं तो हर फिल्म पर देते हैं तो हमारे फिल्म पर उन्होंने राइटर से ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट लिखवाई और वो स्क्रिप्ट में ऐसा था कि वो बात कर रहे हैं चिराग से
ओके
कि चिराग तुमने अगर अपने पापा की बात नहीं सुनी क्योंकि तुम्हारे पापा प्यार में है तो क्या हुआ तुम उसके पापा के प्यार को नहीं समझ सकते तो ऐसी वाली पूरी एक ऑडिशन स्क्रिप्ट बनाई और बोला एक्शन और जो उन्होंने करके दिखाया वाह
What do you enjoy the most?
eating
Of course.
because cooking someone else does then I eat
What is
what
your
do I
most
enjoy
favorite-
sweets
yeah.
desserts yeah I have a big time sweet tooth and I if there is like buffet में जो desserts होते हैं मैं सब ले लेता हूँ अपने प्लेट पे और फिर मैं सब ट्राई करता हूँ और जो पसंद है वो खाऊंगा उसको एक और मंगाऊंगा
You are like me, exactly like me. But what I do is sometimes मैं पहले स्वीट काउंटर में जाके देखती हूँ, डेजर्ट काउंटर में देखती हूँ क्या क्या है.
और उस हिसाब से तुम खाना खाओगे
खाना खाऊंगी.
अच्छा
तो वैसे पेट में जगह भी चाहिए ना यार.
नहीं मैं पूरा एक राउंड मार लेता हूँ और मैं देख लेता हूँ कि अभी हाँ अच्छा बुफे है दबा के खाएंगे
What about you, Kushali? How do you go about it?
See, I'll keep my one cheat day and then मैं एक दिन पहले ना कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी तो मेरे को पता है अगले दिन मैंने बुफे का खाना खाना है and then I'll go and I'll take everything what is there थोड़ा all.
सेट पे खाना कौन ले आता था? ले आते थे कोई?
मैं लेके आता था या
घर का खाना?
घर का खाना
I
my
would eat only healthy.
cook so he used to prepare and I prefer home cooked food because फिर रोज आप कंफ्यूजन में रह जाते हो यार क्या ऑर्डर करना है कहाँ से ऑर्डर करना है
Correct.
and being a foodie you always get confused आज ये खाने का मन है
Absolutely. I-
so it is important to have home cooked food for your
Yeah.
health also
Well, during shoot I usually eat very like simple घर का खाना. Very simple, dal chawal,
Dal chawal,
roti sabzi, something which is very light, not too fancy or complicated food. No.
I think dal chawal is सबका
Is the-
comfort food.
yeah,
and
yeah.
No one can go wrong with it.
that.
What is your idea of love? I can see in the trailer, जितना मैंने समझा है, so you all are you all fall in love, you all are in a relationship. So you all tell me what is your idea of love?
Love is, when two people are very comfortable with each other. It's a proper soul connect, and you make some great, nice memories. And this is love is not just I think with the partner. It is what happened.
love is continue
It's the bond that you share with your family, your sister, your
Correct.
friends, with everyone. I would say even with work, because what kind of a person you are, I think that reflects everywhere, and passionate you are with everything. Love with the kind, even with the hobbies, I think. Or
Like
even
this?
with painting,
Yeah,
even
like
with
this.
this is
Hey,
also
kya
form
yaar, ye mera
of
answer.
love. You are expressing your self.
no that I was doing
So it's
after
that,
the,
and I just feel it's a soul connect, and that connect could be even with a form of art.
Correct.
Okay, once you connect with the painting, you can portray actually your emotions through it, and a lot of people, can relate with it. I remember with this, when I was in my designing. So when I used to make my outfits and do shows in Paris, I had these buyers who would come and tell me that your outfits, they speak a story.
Yeah.
And it has a story to tell, and they used to describe all red carpets and all whatever I used to think my inspiration used to be, they could tell. And so it gives you that kind of satisfaction, and I think you can put your emotions in your outfits. Like I used to use, I remember with this, it's just taken me back to that. Use a lot of like metals, chains for strength, power. So yeah, it's just a form of your expression.
Absolutely.
That's how I'll sum it up and pass it on to Parth now.
Parth,
हाँ बोलो ना
what is your idea of love?
My idea of love, yeah, it's like to put it simply, it's just like this, yeah. Painting. Basically, one needs to have patience, and one needs to spend time with it. So you need to spend time with your person. you need to give a lot of time, you need to take efforts like we are doing right now, and automatically you will start feeling very relaxing, comforting. That is how we should feel in love.
But do you all believe in love at first sight as well?
Of course, मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है.
हाँ, बहुत बार होता था, है या
दोनों होता था, है सब कुछ. प्यार होता 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 कई बार है.
I think when the person is right for you, ना वो बोलते हैं ना अपने आप he comes in front of you. So उसके लिए I think वो so yeah, I think you instantly know once you find that connect. उसके लिए time नहीं लगता है. That's what I feel.
मोमेंट हो गया.
कितना चांस मारता है यार ये लड़का.
आप लोग को पता था घुड़चड़ी एग्जैक्टली होता है कि कुछ आई
I'm from Delhi.
Okay,
So
हाँ.
I exactly knew what it is. पार्थ को नहीं पता था.
मुझे तो नहीं पता था, मुझे समझाया गया और उसके बाद मैंने प्रैक्टिकली दिल्ली में जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तब हमने देखा भी कि वहाँ पे लोग ये भाषा इस्तेमाल करते हैं और उन्होंने एक दूसरे से पूछा भी कि घुड़चड़ी का कितना समय हो रहा है, क्या समय पर घुड़चड़ी है. मुझे तब जाके रियलाइज हुआ कि एक प्रथा होती है जहाँ पर दूल्हा घोड़ी पे चढ़ने वाला होता है.
इट्स प्रॉपर प्रथा.
या इट्स अ ट्रेडिशन, इट्स अ रिचुअल.
Do you miss your fashion days?
No, actually, because I fulfill that desire by styling myself up. Though I do have still some.
She
of
styles
my,
herself, by the way.
In the film as well, you've done that?
No, films not all, but I would always have my say because I think the way the character thinks should incorporate that in the way that person would dress up. But yeah, now I'm not taking it up anywhere commercially, nor I miss it. But I do still have a lot of buyers from UAE who still keep on messaging me and DM me, especially for their weddings, because they wear all those white gowns and all.
Right.
So I do have few clients.
Yeah.
Yet only like more on friendly basis I would
Okay.
make outfits for them, but no.
Oh, how lovely. Yeah. Do you have any fan encounters on the sets?
अरे बहुत यार.
कैसे डील किया, टैकल किया?
Tackle क्यों यार? I meet them. I ask them where they are from, their names, because I feel every individual personality they also have emotions. Yeah, they've come all the way to see you, to see their favorite artist. It's our moral responsibility to at least meet them, spend time with them, and of course, more than anything for me, what is utmost important is getting a smile on their face. Yeah. So towards the end, at least I feel that you've made someone happy, at least one person in your day. Is more than anything for me. Yeah.
But did you have any crazy fan encounters?
Yeah. I mean, they've been very sweet, not crazy. I would say crazy. हाँ, of course. I'd gone to this Delhi mall. क्या बोलते हैं, DLF mall.
Okay.
And the mall got shut for 4 घंटों के लिए because there was too much of crowd over there, which the security couldn't handle. And the Delhi people were so I would say passionate. And that time my first show had come और तभी एकदम 1 साल ही हुआ था. It was my first public meeting. Like मैंने ऐसे सोशल मीडिया पे डाल दिया था I'm coming to this mall, तो मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लगा कि 50 लोग आएंगे, लेकिन आए 2000 लोग. तो तो that was, and that too with all those messages, cards, those placards and everything. We love you, and they were chanting. They were shouting on top of their lungs, and they were on the cars, all the expensive cars चढ़ बढ़ के, and I was so shit scared कि मतलब अगर कुछ हो गया यहाँ पर मेरे ऊपर ही बिल फटेगा. या फिर एंड में फिर कॉप्स आए और मुझे लेके गए वहाँ से बिकॉज कुछ आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट होल दिस थिंग. तो फिर पुलिस स्टेशन लेके जाके मेरी अच्छी से खातिरदारी हुई कि मतलब अच्छे से मुझे पूछा वो सब कि दिस इज़ नॉट, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू पुट इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया इफ़ यू आर अ पब्लिक फिगर लाइक दैट. इट वॉज माई वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम, सो आई डिडंट नो द होल रिएक्शन, बट इट वॉज गुड टू सी ऑल दैट.
It's very sweet to see when we were shooting on the sets and we were shooting in CP. So, there was a married couple. The girl is wearing chuda and the husband is like actually standing and taking her picture with him.
How lovely.
Yeah. So it was pretty sweet actually to see that.
What is that one thing you both have learned from Raveena and Sanjay Dutt individually?
I would say Ravina ma'am is still so today, and I hope I can match up to her once I reach that place, because she's an amazing person, very warm person. And yeah, I think she's more Gen Z than even us. Look at the way she is, she looks, she's dressed, the way she carries herself, it's just so graceful. And I really look up to that.
Yeah, she is. What about you? What about that?
Oh,
Sanjay sir, he's a legend, and I did not have that many scenes with him. But the aura, the positivity that he carries, and it's just that when he comes around, it's very natural. Part is he talks a lot, but even he was like, ekdam like pin drop silence when Sanjay sir used to walk on set. And it's a very different vibe and energy. I did not even have my scenes, but I used to go just to be there,
To watch him.
to see him.
Oh, wow. What about you?
what about me?
What is that one thing you've learned from both the actors?
Learned how to be fit. So by the time I reach his age someday, I would like to very much see myself like him. That is for sure. He's an inspiration when it comes to fitness, because he started that trend.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, that is one. And apart from that, the kind of human he is, very soft spoken, and no matter how your personality is, you should never judge a book by its cover. That is completely him, because he has so many layers and of course experiences in his life, good and bad, everything, but he's still standing strong. Yeah.
That's one thing I think a lot of people take away from.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And Ravina ma'am?
Ravina ma'am, of how entertaining she is, and of course how she's maintaining, how gorgeous she's looking day by day, and I mean, obviously she doesn't look like a mother of two kids.
Yeah.
That is for sure. And how sweet and humble she is, because I once partied with her and she saw my energy level, my dancing skills, and she saw it and she's like, I also used to do such kind of steps back in my days. I'm like, I totally believe
But
you.
sets पे आप लोग ने कोई भी पुराने गानों उनके गानों पे डांस वांस नहीं किया?
ये तो किए,
We would
तो हाँ,
love
we used to
to.
have that after party or something, like we used to relax for a day after shooting for like a week or so, and we used to dance all those Bollywood numbers, अखियों से गोली मारे, मुन्ना भाई,
मैं हूँ
साकी
खलनायक.
साकी,
Oh,
yeah,
Saki,
खलनायक,
Saki,
yes.
I feel that whenever he enters, that background music के साथ ही आते. मैं हूँ खलनायक, and then he walks on the set. So that is his song. So what
Personality.
about you all? अगर आपका एक theme song होगा आपके life पे तो क्या होगा?
Punjabi Munde Pao Bhangra, but right now,
क्या
I
बात
think, yeah.
दिल कहता है तनु लेके जा, ये एक हमारा अपकमिंग सॉन्ग है
Song
फ्रॉम
है.
गुरचड़ी फिल्म ओनली, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली written and also it's very beautifully composed. Looking forward for that song as well.
And we'll be looking forward for you to hum also, like how you're humming right now.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
all of
absolutely.
us.
अभी बस मुझे बेड दे दो, मैं ऐसा लेट जाएगा.
All the best and thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us. We had fun. We genuinely had fun. It was very relaxing and comforting for us. De-stressed we were.